Objective number 3. Evaluate polynomials. Example 1. Find the value of A. 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2 when x equals minus 1 or x equals 2. First, for x equals minus 1, this polynomial 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2 becomes equal to 3 times the minus 1 cubed plus 5 times the minus 1 square minus 2, which equals to 3 times the minus 1 plus 5 times 1 minus 2, which becomes minus 3 plus 5 minus 2, which becomes equal to 0. For x equal 2, the polynomial 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2 becomes 3 times 2 to the third power or cubed plus 5 times 2 squared minus 2, and which equals to 3 times 8 plus 5 times 4 minus 2, which equals to 24 minus 20 plus 2, which equals to 42. Part B. Here we have the expression minus 3x squared plus 14x minus 2, and we want to evaluate it when x equals minus 2 and when x equals minus 1. First, when x equals minus 2. When x equals minus 2, we're going to be substituting minus 2 in every term where we see an x, and then we will simplify. So this becomes minus 3 times minus 2 squared plus 14 times minus 2 minus 1, which equals to minus 3 times 4 and minus 28 minus 1, which becomes minus 12 minus 28 minus 1, which becomes minus 41. Yep. Then when x equals to minus 1, the expression minus 3x squared plus 14x minus 2 equals minus 3 times the minus 1 squared plus 14 times minus 1 minus 2, which equals to minus 3 times 1 minus 14 minus 2, which equals minus 3 minus 14 minus 2, which equals minus 19. And then to C, where we have the expression minus x squared or minus 1x squared plus 2x minus 1 when x equals 1 and when x equals minus 1. First, when x equals 1. Then this expression minus x squared plus 2x minus 1 becomes minus 1 times 1 squared plus 2 times 1 minus 1, which simplifies to minus 1 times 1 plus 2 minus 1, which equals minus 1 plus 2 minus 1, which is 0. Then, when x equals minus 1, this expression becomes minus 1 times the minus 1 squared plus 2 times minus 1 minus 1, which equals minus 1 times 1 minus 2 minus 1, which equals minus 1 minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 4.